Hello friends, how do you do? Today we from Wild's Life channel, welcome you to a microscopic marvel extravaganza. Get ready to embark on a journey into the hidden world of amoebas, those shape-shifting wonders that will leave you positively thrilled. From their unexpected link to a multitasking 18th century German naturalist to their mind-bending ability to exist in both liquid and solid states, we're diving deep into 10 astonishing amoeba facts that will reshape your understanding of the microcosmic universe. So, grab your microscope, or at least your enthusiasm, because by the end of this video, you'll be saying, amoebas? More like amoeb wows. Do you know that in the annals of scientific discovery, one name that shines brightly is that of August Johann Rosel von Rosenhoff? A naturalist, he ventured into the wilderness to unlock the secrets of the living world. It was in the year 1755, in the midst of his multifaceted explorations, that von Rosenhoff stumbled upon a true marvel, the amoeba. This microcosmic wonder left him awestruck, and in a nod to the shape-shifting Greek god Proteus, he christened his discovery, the Little Proteus. Little did he know that this tiny, shape-shifting organism would become a subject of fascination for generations of scientists to come, and his name would forever be linked to its discovery. Now, let's dive into the enigmatic world of amoebas, where things aren't always what they seem. Amoebas exist in two distinct states, plasmasol and plasmagal. It's almost as if they have a split personality, with one foot in the liquid world and the other in the solid. Plasmasol is the amoeba in its liquid form, a bit like a shapeless puddle. In this state, it's highly mobile, oozing and flowing like a tiny, living river. It's in this watery guise that the amoeba can extend its pseudopods, those deceptive, false legs used for movement and prey capture. In gel state, it can endure harsh conditions and even survive periods of drought or unfavorable environments. This remarkable adaptability is part of what makes amoebas such intriguing creatures. Whether they're flowing like water or solidifying like gelatin, amoebas are masters of shape-shifting survival. The word amoeba itself carries a hint of its mystique. Its etymology takes us back to ancient Greece, where the Greeks had a knack for naming things with poetic flair. The term amoeba traces its roots to the Greek word amoebe, which translates to change, or to alternate. It's a fitting moniker for these shape-shifting microorganisms. Think of it as a nod to their incredible adaptability. Amoebas are the ultimate transformers of the microscopic world. They can change their shape, size, and even their internal structure to suit their needs. It's like having a closet full of outfits for every occasion, except amoebas do it on a cellular level. This ability to change is at the core of their survival strategy. It allows them to squeeze through tiny openings, engulf their prey, and navigate ever-changing environments. So, the next time you marvel at an amoeba's shape-shifting prowess, remember that it's living up to its ancient Greek name, the changer. Amoebas may be small, but they have voracious appetites. These microscopic hunters are always on the prowl for their next meal, and their menu is quite diverse. Bacteria, plant cells, metazoa, multicellular animals, algae, protozoa, and more, these are just a few of the delectable options on the amoeba buffet. When an amoeba encounters a potential meal, it extends its pseudopods, those ever-flexible false legs, and engulfs its prey. Imagine a tiny, living amoeba net capturing its quarry. Once ensnared, the amoeba envelops its prey within a food vacuole. Inside this vacuole, the prey becomes a prisoner, subjected to a digestive onslaught of enzymes. Slowly but surely, the prey is broken down into simpler nutrients, which the amoeba then absorbs to nourish itself. This feeding frenzy is just one example of how amoebas have mastered the art of survival in the microscopic realm. Now, let's take a deep dive into the genetic makeup of these pint-sized powerhouses. Despite their diminutive size, amoebas boast an extraordinarily large genome, housing a whopping 290 base pairs of genetic material. This genetic richness is a testament to the complexity of these tiny organisms. It's like having a vast library of genetic information packed into a microscopic cell. Scientists are still unraveling the mysteries hidden within the amoeba's genome. It's a treasure trove of biological insights, and studying it provides valuable clues not only about amoebas themselves but also about the evolution of life on Earth. So, the next time you gaze through a microscope at these tiny shapeshifters, remember that beneath their unassuming exteriors lies a genetic treasure chest of incredible complexity and potential. Keeping amoebas in a laboratory setting is about as challenging as hosting a tea party for teddy bears. It's a breeze. This ease of maintenance is a significant reason why scientists often roll out the microscopic red carpet for amoebas when they want to study cell structure and protozoa. Imagine trying to maintain a pet elephant in your living room versus keeping a pet goldfish in a bowl. Amoebas are the goldfish of the microcosmic world. They're low maintenance, adaptable, and they don't require elaborate accommodations. Their simple needs make them ideal subjects for scientific investigation. So, next time you hear about groundbreaking discoveries in cell biology or protozoology, don't be surprised if you find an amoeba at the heart of it all, happily going about its business in a laboratory dish. If there's one thing it allows them to squeeze through tiny openings, navigate complex environments, and capture prey with ease. So, while the rest of us are stuck with our fixed human forms, spare a thought for the amoebas, the true masters of shape-shifting in the microscopic world. Amoebas have a secret weapon in their quest for survival and mobility: pseudopods. These cleverly named false legs are extensions of their cell membrane that they use both for movement and hunting. Think of pseudopods as amoeba's Swiss Army knives. When they want to move, these extensions stretch out like temporary limbs, propelling the amoeba forward. When it's time to hunt, they can surround and engulf their prey, like a microscopic Venus flytrap. But pseudopods aren't just versatile, they're essential for maintaining the amoeba's mobility. They allow these shapeshifters to navigate their environment, explore their microscopic world, and capture their next meal. So, next time you're marveling at an amoeba's graceful glide or its seamless prey capture, tip your hat to its trusty pseudopods, the unsung heroes of the amoebic saga. Now, let's venture into the darker side of the amoebic world. These are the pathogenic amoebas, and they're not to be taken lightly. Entamoeba histolytica, Balamotea, Naegleria fowlei, Acanthamoeba, these are the names that strike fear into the hearts of microbiologists and healthcare professionals. These amoebas are the stuff of nightmares, causing a range of serious diseases in humans. Entamoeba histolytica, for instance, is responsible for amoebic dysentery, a potentially life-threatening intestinal infection. So, while most amoebas are harmless, these pathogenic outliers serve as a chilling reminder that even the tiniest organisms can pack a deadly punch. In the pantheon of amoebas, there's one particularly notorious character, Amoeba naegleria. This species of amoeba is found in warm freshwater and has earned itself a chilling nickname, the brain-eating amoeba. If you ever have the misfortune of encountering this microscopic menace, you're in for a terrifying ride. When it infects a human host, it doesn't hold back. It invades the brain tissue, causing a condition known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, PAM. This rare but often fatal disease can lead to severe brain damage and death. Amoeba naegleria is relentless in its pursuit of brain tissue, and once it sets its sights on your gray matter, it's game over. So, if you're ever in waters where this amoeba lurks, take precautions and keep your head above water, literally. And there you have it, fellow microcosmic explorers. We've taken a thrilling journey through the mesmerizing world of amoebas, from their discovery by the Renaissance man of science, August Johann Rosel von Rosenhoff, to their astonishing abilities like shape-shifting, devouring a microscopic buffet, and even their star-like reactions when startled. If you've been as captivated by these microscopic marvels as we have, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow science enthusiasts, and subscribe for more mind-expanding adventures in the world of biology. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive, and remember, even in the tiniest of creatures, there's a world of wonder waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.